If you're planning on coming to the Sea Tac International Airport and are wanting to know how the airport tram works here, then you're on the right video, here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Coming into any airport, it's always good to know what you will be walking into. Airports are busy, and getting off a plane, you just want to get to your luggage and leave the airport as soon as possible. In this video, I'll explain what you will see. As you begin to fly close to Seattle, land, and now are coming off the plane, everything from this point will depend on what terminal you arrived in. I arrived in Gate N, and like any airport, there's lots going on. And to make a quick mention, if you're from Europe or Asia and are here at the airport, you can come to Gate N and get yourself a Costa coffee. There's only 6 locations in the US: Atlanta, Georgia, San Antonio, and Austin, Texas, and the other one is right here at Sea Tac Airport. So come down and try some. The hot chocolate is amazing. Back to the airport, following the signs, go straight ahead and go down the escalator. From here, you are at the Seattle Tram, known as the Seattle Underground. Once here, follow the signs to the baggage claim, so turn right. You use this system to get around the airport in a fast, orderly time. The trains are fast, and wait times don't take too long. In fact, the train will return in 3 minutes. My personal opinion about the Seattle Airport tram is they did it right. There isn't a tram arriving at every gate which can fill up the cars to critical overcrowding. Rather, there are 3 trains that move the crowds between gates. The green line moves people between D, C, and N gates. The blue line moves crowds between A, B, and S gates. And the yellow line moves everyone between A, D gates and serves as a connection between north and south terminal transit loops. So the trains can fill up full of people, but you're not overcrowded, and no one likes that. Once you arrive at Gate D, this is where the baggage claim is. You leave the airport tram and continue to follow the baggage claim signs. There's always a crowd going the same direction. So, if you're a bit confused, usually following the group, you'll find your way. Once you pass the exit only, there's no return inside Gate D. So follow up the escalator, and now you're at baggage claim. And check the monitor, which baggage area is for your flight. When you're coming to Sea Tac Airport, you've passed through security. From here, you follow the signs and you'll eventually come to a set of escalators and stairs. From here, you follow the tram to your gate. In this case, it is Gate N. So, it's one stop, and depending where you go, the trains can be full or empty. The doors open and follow up the escalator to your gate. If you're looking to get out of the Sea Tac Airport for transportation and take the Link Light Rail, or if you're wondering how to find shuttles to get you to your park and ride service, check out these videos. And check out all my videos by subscribing to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.